So hello everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss about dropshipping on Shopify, that how you can do dropshipping on Shopify and generate handsome revenue from it. So basically before starting Shopify store or Shopify dropshipping, you would have knowledge about Shopify, that what is Shopify. So Shopify is an e-commerce store where you can sell online by dropshipping, or you can sell by making your store from your products. It's up to you that how would you want to do that. So dropshipping lets you sell products by using a supplier that hold the inventory and ship the product for you. You pay the wholesale price to the supplier while controlling the price that your customer see in your Shopify store. You don't need to hold an inventory or ship item yourself. That's basically dropship means. So is dropship illegal on Shopify? Yes, dropshipping is illegal. Yes, dropshipping is legal, not illegal. It's legitimate order fulfillment method that thousand business owners use worldwide. However, you need to be careful not to do business with fishy supplier who literally use another company intellectual property. So if you want to generate income or profit from Shopify, then you should set up your store and start drop shipping today. So is Shopify good for drop shipping? Many people want to know about this. Yeah, the Shopify e-commerce platform is a top pick for anyone considering drop shipping. Shopify directly connects to hundreds of vendors who stock, pack, and ship product to you with little to no upfront cost. So the next step is how much money you can make by dropshipping on Shopify. So there are a lot of people asking about this. There are many dropshippers who make up to $1 lakh per year with a successful dropshipping store. So if your idea of being a successful dropshipper to make $1,000 per year, you will need to choose the right supplier and build a brand. So how does Shopify integrate with dropshipping? You should have to add product, set up and design your store, add domain, set up payment, explore your Shopify store.